Forgotten username recovery failed on the House Crowd fix. If you've tried to recover your username on the House Crowd and it keeps failing, you're not alone, and here's the surprising truth. The platform's login process does actually rely on traditional usernames anymore. Instead, it's built entirely around your registered email address, which makes account recovery much easier once you know what to do. Here's how to fix it. Start by going to the House Crowd's official website and clicking on the Login button. If you can't remember your username, skip that step and select Forgot Password or Can't Access Account. Then, enter your registered email address, the same one you used when you first invested or created your account. You'll receive an email containing a password reset link or direct login access. Click that link, follow the on-screen steps, and you should be back in your account within minutes. If you don't receive the recovery email, check your spam or junk folder. Still nothing? Try a different email address. Many users accidentally register with their work or secondary emails without realizing it. Searching your inbox for the House Crowd might also help you locate old messages that confirm which email is linked to your profile. If you no longer have access to that email, don't panic. Contact the House Crowd support team directly through their website. Provide details like your full name, the property project you invested in, or your registered phone number. Once they verify your identity, they can safely restore access. Most people get this wrong because they assume usernames are required. But with the House Crowd, your email is your unique identifier. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed, don't worry, just use your registered email and follow the recovery process. You'll be back managing your property investments with confidence in no time.